Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you, this is a newly rebuilt Waukesha size 30 pump, which is rated for about 30 GPM at its maximum speed of about 600 RPM. That's the co-shaft entering the pump. You see we have the guard removed. Everything's running true, straight as it should be. Pump's running quiet, smooth. We're using water as a test media, and you can see we've installed a new drivetrain on it, as well as a WEG washdown AC frequency controller. We're going to show you over here. We're running through a circulating tank right now. You see we have the pump connected. And that's about the top flow rate right now. We're running for about 4 hours. We like to do that as we test these units. We can offer this on most pumps we do sell from our stock. This has been new fabrication right from the ground up, using just the original pump, which has been completely rebuilt, including new seals, bearings, and of course all product side seals, and of course the new controls. We hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. And thanks for joining us for this video.